Now I'm going to show you how to install the Toddler seat rear facing using the lower anchors or latch system. First, we're going to pull back on the upholstery to reveal our rear facing belt path. Then we're going to open the lock off that's closest to the center of the vehicle. In this case, I'm opening one. We only need to open one. If you're installing the car seat in the center of the vehicle, you can choose either or, but you only need to open one of the lock-offs. Then, in the back of the car seat, open the back panel and pull out your lower anchors. Your lower anchors are attached to the back of the seat using a small strap. That strap can be passed through the notch down at the bottom. Once you've done that, take your lower anchors, make sure there are no twists, and then pass them through the rear-facing belt path. Go ahead and attach your latch connector to the lower anchor bars in your vehicle. Now, take the yellow mark on your latch strap and align it with the center of the car seat. There's a mark on the shell of the seat letting you know where the center is. Once you've aligned those up, go ahead and close the lock off on the latch belt. Now, you're going to pull in the loops of the latches to tighten down on the car seat, pulling down on each side, one side at a time. Continue tightening the latch straps until the car seat is nice and snug and does not move more than 1 inch at the belt path. If it's still a little loose, tighten it down a little further and check again. The last step is going to be making sure that your level indicator on the side impact brace is indicating that you are at the correct angle. You can go ahead and close the back panel now and latch it shut.